Ever wondered how some YouTube channels explode in popularity while others seem to languish in obscurity? It's not just luck or magic, there's a science to it, and today we're going to unravel the mystery together. Step 1. Understanding your audience. Imagine trying to sell ice to an Eskimo. It's not going to work, right? The same principle applies to YouTube. You need to know who you're talking to, what they're interested in, and what they're likely to share with their friends. So start by researching. Look at the comments on your videos, conduct surveys, or use tools like YouTube Analytics to get a better understanding of your viewers. Step 2. Consistency is key. Think about your favorite TV show. It probably airs at the same time on the same day every week. Apply this concept to your YouTube channel. Release your videos on a regular schedule, be it daily, weekly, or monthly. This creates anticipation and keeps your viewers coming back for more. Step 3. Quality over quantity. In the world of YouTube, it's not about who makes the most videos, but who makes the best ones. Invest in good equipment, spend time on editing, and take the time to create content that your viewers will love. Remember, every video you release is a representation of your brand. Step 4. Engage with your viewers. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and show appreciation for your subscribers. You might be surprised at how much a simple thank you can mean to someone. This not only builds a community around your channel, but also encourages viewers to subscribe and stay subscribed. Step 5. Collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaboration is a powerful tool that can introduce your channel to a whole new audience. Reach out to other YouTubers in your niche and propose a collaboration. This could be anything from a joint video to a shout-out or a guest appearance. Final step. Promote your channel. Don't just rely on people stumbling upon your videos. Share them on social media, add them to your email signature, or even run a YouTube ad campaign. The more places people can find you, the more subscribers you're likely to get. So there you have it, a step-by-step guide to gaining more subscribers on YouTube. But remember, it's not just about the numbers. It's about creating a community of loyal viewers who love your content and look forward to your next video. So take these tips, apply them to your channel, and watch your subscriber count soar. Now, the ball is in your court. It's time to put these strategies to work and see your YouTube channel grow. Don't just dream about having a successful YouTube channel, make it a reality. Start today, because the only limit to your success is you.